There are two different ways of playing the game. You can do so in your notebook by running this code. This instantiates a computer and human instance and then passes it to the poker constructor, which finally plays the game. Or we can do so from the command line by running poker or Python poker.py. So I'm going to do the second one, and I have VS Code open up over here, and inside of the Texas Holdem poker module, I have the poker.py module. So this is where all of the code from the notebook has been copied to. Right, so there are several hundred lines of code. This has all of the classes that we just built. At the bottom, there's this protective code that gets run whenever we run this from the command line. So it does the same exact thing and starts the game. So let's go ahead and do this. You have to, remember, I have to be in this folder already. So I'm going to type python poker.py to start the game. All right, so hand number 1. All right, so there's a lot of information printed out. Right, I am the dealer. I bet 5. The computer bets 10. The pot is 15. I have 995. The computer has 990. Everybody starts with $1,000. That's the starting value. Here are my cards: 2 and 10 of clubs. And then you get this choice. So I'm the dealer, so I go first during the pre-flop. So it's I can either fold, call, or raise. It's not a good hand, but I'm going to go ahead and call just to stay in the hand. And then the computer will have a chance to act. So you have to enter in the first letter of the choice. So F, C or R. So I call. The computer actually raises to 20. Now the computer is not playing smart. It's just picking choices at random. So I'll just go ahead and call this. So here are my choices: fold, call 10, or raise to 30. So I've already put 10 in the pot. I'm going to just call 10 more. There's my decision. $40 is in the pot. We're both down to 980. Here are the community cards. So 6, king, and 4. So I did not make a pair. The computer goes first, and they checked. I'll just go ahead and check. I don't have a good hand, so I'll put in C. The computer will, here's the next round. So the next community card gets displayed. So king, another king. So I still don't have, my hand is still not very good. There are 2 kings on the board, but the computer also has those same 2 kings. So the computer checks. I'm going to go ahead and check as well. I go second every round because I'm the dealer button. So human checks. All right, so there's actually another king. So there's 3 kings on the board. The computer checks once again. I'm going to go ahead and check over here. And this will end the hand and go to a showdown. So the computer shows ace 9 right there. You can see that. Now they have the better hand. We both have 3 kings, but they have the ace kicker. That's the one. So when we both have the same hand, we're both using the same 3 kings. I only have a 10. That's my highest card. The computer has an ace, which is higher than the 10, so they win the money. So they're up to 1,020. I am at 980. All right, so that's how the game plays. You just press enter to play another hand and do that. Okay. Actually, this one the computer folded right away, pre-flop, which you can do. So, they bet 5, I bet 10. And so they have to at least match the other $5 or raise. They chose to fold, which is fine. So now I'm back up to 985. So the human wins. All right, so that is how you can play the game. The computer is not very good, like I said, but there will be an exercise where there's actually a poker AI over here that is much more intelligent. I'll go over that in one of the exercises to show you how I add artificial intelligence to make it quite a bit more challenging than just a random choice.